In this presentation, we will look at the interpretation and rectification of wills. Testators use their wills to instruct their executors as to how their estates should be divided. Ideally, those instructions will be precise, and the testator's instructions will be for clearly identified property to pass to clearly identified beneficiaries. However, sometimes the testator's instructions are unclear. Wills are sometimes drafted imprecisely or contain mistakes. In order to determine the meaning of any document, it is necessary to correct errors, where possible, and interpret the words used. To that end, the court has powers to both rectify and interpret wills. In cases where the intention of the testator is unclear, the leading principle when interpreting wills is that the will should simply be interpreted by the court to give effect to the intention of the testator by interpreting the words used in their documentary, factual, and commercial context. Where there is a question of interpretation, the will has the meaning and effect as determined by the court. The intentional approach to the interpretation of wills is now firmly entrenched in English law. In order to interpret a document having regard to the circumstances in which it was created, a court must scrutinise evidence of what those circumstances were.